Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Dear audiences, welcome back to all of you from my channel. The name of my channel is Motivational Something MB. This is MD Asaduজ্জামান with you. In this video, I am going to show you a very difference between the very two types of spelling. Okay, the very meaning of them are same. The very meanings of them are same, but the very spelling of them are totally various or totally different from each other, different to each other. At the phase of British English and another phase of American English. এখানে রয়েছে color, honor, sentry, that means center, and cozy or kochi, আরামদায়ক। এগুলো ব্রিটিশ ইংলিশে এভাবে লেখা হয়, অর্থাৎ কালার রং, অনর সম্মান, সেন্ট্রি সেন্টার কেন্দ্র, কোচ আরামদায়ক। এগুলোর আমেরিকান রূপ কি হবে? ওকে, you have to know as the very learner of English, you have to differentiate between them. Okay, now I am going to talk it. Color. This color may be spelled here as color, color. This is American. And honor, 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 সম্মান. And century, here century is spelled here center, কেন্দ্র. And cozy or kochi, আরামদায়ক, এখানে কি হবে? জেড। মূল পার্থক্য এস জেড। এখানকার পার্থক্য এই ইটা এখানে আসবে, এখানে আসলো, আর এখানে এই ইউটা উঠে গেল, আর এখানকার ইউটা উঠে গেল। ওকে, ইন দিস ওয়ে there are also a lot of words like them for you, so you have to try the best for searching the very words. You have to try the best for searching the very words at the phase of differentiating the British English and the very American English. So they're all from me for this video. Okay, thanks to all.